Welcome to Scented Palette. Sweet and sour soup is a cozy winter recipe that will bring warmth in cold nights. Made with healthy ingredients, it offers a combination of sweet and sourness with a bit of crunch, much like a family living together with all the flavors of relationships. It is so good that you can't resist eating it right out of the pot, but enjoying it with family will bring warmth to the heart and body. Let's have a look at the ingredients that make this into a much-loved dish by young and old alike. So I've chopped the carrots in this size. The cabbage has been shredded too. You can either take 2 onions of this size or 1 large onion. I use boiled chicken for this soup. I'm going to shred it now. I add 1 liter of store-bought concentrated unsalted chicken stock. I added the same amount of water to it. Add your vegetables. Keep the onions whole as we are going to take them out later. Carrots. Cover to bring to boil. Cook until vegetables are 70% done. The onions are still intact but cooked. We will add flavorings at this point. Follow my sequence. First add salt, then soya sauce. Salt and soya sauce will be added first because without these you won't be able to check the flavors that you will build. Black pepper. Chili sauce is tangy, so it will definitely come before vinegar. Keep tasting again and again. That is how you will build flavor. Now chili garlic sauce. Vinegar will come in the end. Check the vegetables. Vegetables should be cooked till 5% crunch remains. Add chicken in the end, otherwise it will catch the color of the sauces. Taste one last time because adding more ingredients can dilute the taste. Remove the onions. Thicken with cornstarch slurry. Add a little at a time to avoid lumps. You can add more or less of it according to the thickness you like. It's done. Let's serve.